we are back once again with Fiber Gifts. This is week number 9, and I think my favorite overall of the lineup. Not to say that any of them are not worthy, but this one is especially worthy, I think, of everyone's attention, because look! I love these baskets. I have big ones, I have small ones, I'm gonna have one of these. These are beautiful fair trade baskets made in Ghana. So yeah, if you need a basket that's beautiful and gonna hold all your stuff, this is something to consider. We're gonna be doing surprise colors, so they're all different. That's, I think, my favorite part about them, is that they all are different colors and different designs and different everything. So yeah, we're gonna surprise you with what you get. If you need something to hold stuff, here you go. My favorite thing also about these, second favorite thing, well, I don't know, I like a lot of things about them. Another one of my favorite things is that they are all hand woven by some folks who are helped by a fair trade agreement, which is really great. So if you need something to hold some yarn, hold some tools, hold some anything, fruit, anything, grab you one of these. We have lots and lots. Just gonna show them off for fun because they're beautiful. Here's the back of one. Sometimes they have little designs on the bottom. I like this one. I have more. They just keep coming. So, I like this one too. It's got just little pops of color on it. So these are gonna go on sale on December 10th, and they are going to be 25% off. Look at this one. It's just got the pink around the edge. That's cool. So, yeah.